NTPC BARAUNI Thermal Power Station is situated on the laps of Holy River Ganga in the Begusarai district of Bihar. The operations carried out in the power station are all dependent on this majestic river situated within the 2 kilometers radius. The cultural, historical and social connect with the river makes the station a prominent stakeholder in honoring our moral as well as corporate responsibility. As the water is pumped in through this contingency pump house, the water is stored in the raw water reservoir. The speciality of these reservoirs are that it is built using the RCC construction, which reduces the seepage of water and mitigates the loss of water through the evaporation process.
Barauni Thermal Power Station Stage 2 is a 500 megawatt coal-fired power station taken over from Bihar State Electricity Board on 15 December 2018. After taking over, NTPC BARAUNI has been taking various measures towards conservation of water and mitigation of water pollution. To regulate the usage of water, a station-level committee has been set up that looks after the means and ways reducing specific water consumption. It also monitors the water consumption on regular basis. The focus of our station is to reduce the water consumption in our everyday operations by inculcating 3R principle, that is reduce, reuse and recycle. We are committed to CO water mandate.
NTPC BARAUNI has taken many measures for conservation of water. Some of them are ash water recirculation system is strengthening, which resulted zero fresh water intake in ash water tank. Metering of water consumption in all major heads to know the water intake and water consumption at daily basis. Total 21 numbers ultrasonic type water flow meters has been installed. 24/7 basis monitoring of water consumption in various systems through online water dashboard is now in practice. For further identification of water conservation areas, water balance study was carried out in July 2022.
Continuous online monitoring of water consumption in different systems through centralized water dashboard in control room is being carried out on 24/7 basis. As water reduction measures, more than 80% of fly ash is being utilized through ash silo, resulting in reduction of water consumption in ash handling system. Fire water tank makeup, originally from service water line, is being replaced by CT blowdown water. Installation of automatic water dispenser in office buildings. Strengthening of reuse and recycling practices involve wastewater in boiler, turbine and CHP area is being collected in ZLD and CSSP pit and are being used in ash water tank. Effluent generated in boiler and DM plant are being treated in ETP and are reused in ash handling system. For conservation of water, STP has been commissioned. Old AWRS system strengthening done for 100% recycling of ash water from ash dike, which has resulted in significant reduction in drawal from Ganga River. Further, to recharge groundwater, 12 rainwater harvesting pits have been constructed. Online level indicators are being used for monitoring of tanks level to avoid wastage of water due to overflowing.
Implementation of zero liquid discharge scheme 5 numbers of ZLD pit constituted to reuse and recycle water, wastewater in boiler, turbine and ESP area and ash water tank for ash handling. Installation and commissioning of STP, ETP and CSSP has further increased reuse and recycling of water in ash water tank. I congratulate my NTPC Barauni team for making it zero liquid discharge plant.
By these initiatives and continuous efforts, Barauni Thermal Power Station, in line with NTPC, is committed to becoming one of the most water efficient power stations by generating more power per drop.